Welcome back, humble traders. Today I'll be doing a technical breakdown on ARK Innovation ETF, ticker symbol ARKK. Before we begin, remember to take a second to give the video a like and subscribe as you really help out the channel. Do note that I do not provide any buy or sell calls, but focus on the potential trips laid up by the market makers. Without further ado, let's take a look at ARK. So you can see that ARK did not really have a good week last week, and you can see that it was being blocked by the clouds. So we tried going through the clouds, but the very next day we had a very much like a bearish engulfing candle, and you can see that 4 days of continuous selling, and the volume was substantial. So that's really a cause for concern for ARK. So currently we are just below, trading around $60 psychological support levels, and we are also below this baseline of $61, $62. So that's a cause for concern. You can look at the MACD is really turned. So let's take a look at the 1 hour charts to get a better idea of where exactly are some potential supports for later and even in the upcoming sessions. So you can see that previous resistance here. There was some previous resistance here at around, let me check what was this high. High was around 59.57. So 59.57, 59.60, 59.70 acts as a very, very strong support for later. What we want to see is previous resistance turning into support, and that would be ideal situation for ARK. Of course, in the event that we do break down and continue further down, then potentially we may be looking at around 56.25 to 56.50 around these levels here, where we can see that there was some potential support coming in and buyers came in back in 16th of March. But not forgetting, there is also this gap here that needs to be closed. So this gap here is around $54 to $56, and we may be closing it in the upcoming session in the event that $58, $59 not able to hold. But bear in mind one thing is that we are currently trading just below this $60 psychological support. So there may be some retail investors who once again put their stop losses at around 58 to 59. So if we see any bullish pin bars or any bullish signs of reversal where the stock had an initial flush, but still managed to finish the day with a very nice looking candle, something like this, where we had an initial flush in the morning and we managed to close near the peak at the end of the day, then it is a sign that buyers have stepped in and stopped. Some of the retail investors may have been stopped out already. So yep, just a recap. In the event that this 59.60 can hold, previous resistance can now turn into support. That will be an ideal situation. If that were to fail to hold, then perhaps we're looking at around $58 for potential stop hunting. If not, in upcoming sessions, perhaps Tuesday, Wednesday, or even Thursday, we may be looking at around 54 to 56 to close this ARK gap. So if there's any changes, I'll give you guys an update. Thanks for stopping by and don't forget to subscribe as you'll keep the uptrend on the channel intact. Leave a comment below if you have any other stock TA requests. Till we meet again, appreciate the manipulation.